Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Amazon Prime video. To know how to fix or how to solve your Amazon Prime video, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Amazon Prime video and you click. When you'll find this page, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.